Alright guys, what's going on? So, I sold the Subaru. This is my new ride. It's a 97 TJ. I've wanted a Jeep for a while, and I finally sold the Subaru, and I picked this thing up. So, I got this for 3,500 bucks. It's got a 3-inch rough country lift on 31s. Ride's pretty decent and everything. It's just a bit of body damage here on the fender. It's rust free, but yeah, just this fender's a little bit hammered in. I just need to get this straightened out somehow, and then a new fender flare, and that'll be good. It's got some cool tow hooks. Aftermarket front bumper. These lights don't work, so they're gonna go. I don't really know what the reason is why they don't work, but the switch inside gets power. 4-liter automatic. I want automatic for daily driving in traffic, and then as well as off-roading. Came with hard top, soft top, and bikini top. Interior's pretty good, actually. Has a deck in it, nothing special. The hard top doesn't leak, which is good. Everything works. Like, it was just a good deal all around, so I couldn't say no. But this is day one with it, so I'm gonna give it a nice clean out, and yeah, I'll show you the engine real quick. Oh, this is the best part of Jeeps. Oh, okay, hold on one sec. Oh, is that the hood opens up like that, and you can work on anything. So not really any problems with it right now. Probably gonna do a nice tune-up on it. Was thinking about a snorkel. I don't know if I'll get around to doing that or not. Yep, it's pretty sweet. New alternator. Engine bay is just kind of dusty right now. Just needs a good clean down. They'll probably through some new plugs, wires, cap rotor, air filter, all that good stuff. Yeah, so this is the new ride. It's on 31s, they're pretty good. I want to go up to 33s though, so we'll see. All right, so I'm back after a little while, just having some lunch and stuff. I got the cowl off here because right now I've got this thing where my wipers, they work, but the passenger side one, it stops like right here. And then it doesn't drop down all the rest of the way. So what I'm seeing here is this little bit of play. I don't know if this is, I don't think this clip is factory, but you can see in there how this little arm has a little bit of play. It needs to stay right there. It stops right there when it comes down, so it just needs to stay there. I don't know, maybe it just needs lube or something. But this one, as you can see, it doesn't have the same thing going here. So, I mean, worst case here is that I need new wiper linkage. Maybe I'll just try lubing it and see what happens. I might just need a bigger, like another clip. Maybe I can jam in there. Got all these clips at work, but not here. So I don't know what I'll be able to jam me up right here, but I'm gonna try it. So this is what it was doing. It's actually worse now. That's where it needs to go. And then the linkage just slips. Yeah, there's just a bit of play in there. You can see it, the arm turns, and then it doesn't start turning. Oh, nice. Got it. Kind of. gonna attach the other one. Nice. Looks like we fixed my problem here. This one still lags a little bit behind. Should do the trick for now. Just wash the engine bay. I'm letting it run while I wash the rest of it, and then clean up the inside. And I don't know what else I'm gonna get up to today. Washing up a little while ago. Just finished cleaning up the interior. It's pretty solid. Wiped everything down. Just did a detail on it and made a big difference. So, yep, not bad. And straightened out this fender a little bit, so it kind of matches the other one now. So it just needs to be bent down. And then that buckles there, but I've got a guy who I've been talking to. He's got a ton of Jeeps. I think he's gonna hook me up with new light here, new fender flare, new light there. The driver's side mirror is cracked, so he's gonna just help me out with that. And other than that, we're doing pretty good. So, hope you guys like this thing. Stay tuned for more videos on it, and see you in the next one.